Introducing Thickngel, the revolutionary food processing application designed to simplify the art of food thickening and gelling. Exclusively available through Cape Crystal Brands, Thickngel is your ultimate guide to selecting the perfect hydrocolloid ingredient for your culinary creations. Ever wondered which hydrocolloid is best for your recipe? With varying pH levels, protein presence, and other factors, making the right choice can be daunting. But with Thickngel, you're just a few taps away from ensuring the perfect texture, mouthfeel, and stability for your dishes. Whether you're a professional food formulator or a home cook enthusiast, Thickngel is tailored just for you. For food formulators and professionals, log in to access a comprehensive dashboard. Start a new query, view past results, or dive deep into our hydrocolloid knowledge base. Input your product parameters, and let Thickngel do the magic. In moments, receive the best hydrocolloid recommendation based on scientific logic. Save your queries, revisit past ones, or explore the knowledge base for a deeper understanding of hydrocolloids. For home cooks and enthusiasts, Thickngel offers a simplified experience for our home chefs. Log in, start a quick query, and get recommendations in a language you understand. From understanding the acidity of your food to achieving the desired texture, Thickngel guides you every step of the way. Revisit your culinary experiments, share your results with friends, or explore our user-friendly knowledge base filled with visual aids and tutorials. Thickngel is more than just an app, it's your culinary companion, ensuring consistent quality and eliminating costly mistakes. Join the Thickngel community today and elevate your culinary journey. Thickngel, where science meets culinary art.